Hey, this is Brett again from Monteville Sewing Centers in Austin, Texas at the Brother Convention, and we have now a new 10 needle.
Right.
Tell me about this new 10 needle. What do we have?
This was just announced yesterday morning. This is the new 1060W 10 needle embroidery machine. This is the top of the line multi-needle embroidery machine that Brother just came out with. So there are some great upgrades from the previous model, but thankfully all of the accessories from the 1055, the hat hoops, all the frames, all the harnesses are still going to work in this. So this has a ton more designs. It has the matrix functionality, so you're going to be able to have one pattern and repeat it over the course of a whole hoop. So if you're doing an array of patches or you want to do giant quilt blocks with embroidery, you can do all of that, or applique. Also, this machine now comes with the tubular frame. So you just kind of squeeze the little handle and this slides right over your bobbin casing. And then you're going to be able to embroider directly onto, pre-made bags or sleeves or pants or anything like that.
Wow.
This also has a faster camera as well as a faster scanner so that you can scan your hoops and fabric so that you've got perfect placement. And this camera is in real time as well. So you'll be able to see exactly where your embroidery is going to end up on your hoop. The most exciting news for me was the new BE1 embroidery software.
Okay.
And Brother has partnered with Wilcom to create a brand new platform for digitizing graphics. And it's going to work on all of Brother's embroidery machines, but
right now for the 10 needle.
Yeah.
Show us some of the samples behind you there.
Oh, sure. I made this jacket a few months ago, and this was all just embroideries I did on quilted bits of fabric, and then these aren't patches, these are embroidered directly onto fabric, and then I quilted it together with my Stellaire, I believe.
So come into Monteville Sewing Center to see the brand new 1060, and we will be displaying it and using it at our tech party September 3rd through the 6th. You'll want to sign up for that. We give away over $2,500 worth of product at every single tech party. So you want to come to that September 3rd through 6th. Just go to montevillesewing.com to sign up, and we'll see you there.